Hi, today I have iPhone 60 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Start off opening our settings application. In it, calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want that our event may be 25 of September, and there this plus icon. First we can add title of our event. There we can add location and make video conference when event starts. In this part we can set when event starts, in which time and finish, or we can set by switch on, it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need. There we can add it to group about our event, about our home, calendar, family or work. We can invite some people to that. We can get alert as notification in this part, add attachment to that, or notes. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press add, and we have it in our calendar. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.